everyone, how's it going? It's Jordan from Pianote, and we're taking a look at Fake Empire by The National. This is one of my favorite songs to play on the piano because even though it's got really simple chords and it's really easy to kind of grasp and dip your toes into, it's got a really unique rhythm part, and the way the two hands work is really, really cool. So I'm going to show you the opening part of this song, and then we're going to dive into it. So if you were ever wondering whether or not the piano is a percussive instrument, this song is total proof that you can kind of think of the keyboard as a rhythmic thing that you're kind of drumming on. So let's look at our right hand. That whole progression has one thing going on in the right hand, and that's just a straight C and an E. So it's like a C major chord without the G on top. So the right hand lets that ring out across all the chord progressions. The left hand goes C, F, and G. And when you stack them together, that's a good way to just start off doing it. Just don't even worry about rhythm in the left hand. Just let that be a whole note. And then you can start thinking about how that pulse works in the left hand. So here's the left hand. I'm gonna show you how the left hand actually sounds in the track, and just pay attention to what the left hand's doing and how it's working with the right here. So two really, really simple parts, but the fact that they have different rhythmic characteristics is what makes it really cool to listen to and really fun to play. Because the chords are so simple with this song, you could even just work on the rhythm part by just playing on your lap, or clapping it out, or snapping, or whatever you want. Just make rhythmic sound with it, and then take it to the keyboard, because this song uses the simplest key you've got available. It uses just C major, and it uses like the simplest chords you have available too. It just uses a C, an F, and a G. All right, so now that you're starting to get a feel for how that rhythm works, we're gonna look at the next part, which is a really super subtle shift. You can kind of consider it the chorus, but it's so similar to the verse, it just sort of sneaks up by you. So after we do those verse opening repetitions, instead of going back to the C, we go to the A in the left hand. Right hand, same stuff. Does, keeping it on C and E. So we do that C progression, and now we're going to go to A. And now here's the one part that's a little bit different. So we go A, F, and when we get to this G in the left hand, our right hand finally moves away from that chord shape. It moves down one set of white keys. So instead of playing C and E, it plays B and D. So again, that whole progression. And then it repeats. Okay, so there's one last final part using that rhythm, and then after that there's just two simple chords, and you've learned the whole song. So as the song starts to build into the climactic part, we keep that same rhythmic motion, but now we're going from our F chord to our A minor chord, and then to G. And you can see in the right hand, I'm playing A and C. And then I move down to G and B. And then repeat. Okay, so there's just one more part to this song, and this is actually extremely simple. You don't even have to think about your left hand because it's not even part of it. After we use that rhythmic motion, we get to the last part of the song to learn, which is so easy. It only uses the right hand, and it's basically just 2 chords. So it's an A minor triad in root position, and then it moves down to a G major triad in root position, and then it goes down to another A minor chord, but this is in second inversion, so we have our E in the bottom, then A, and then C, and then it's a G major chord in second inversion, so D, G, and B. All right, so that's Fake Empire by The National. It's a really awesome song. Super simple chords, but the most challenging part by far is that rhythm. And remember, you don't even need to be at the piano to learn those rhythms. You can just drum along on your steering wheel while you're driving to work. You can always be practicing your rhythmic skills. So leave a comment below on where you like to learn rhythms away from the piano. And also leave me a comment on what song you'd like me to teach for the next video. And be sure to check us out at pianote.com because we got so much more stuff for you to learn there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time.